Things you mentioned earlier as being a possible bipartisan agreement was trademark and patent reform. What is it you want to get done?
Well, obviously we have patent litigation that is, there's some patent litigation that's absolutely legitimate and some patent litigation that is a form of extortion. And the solution to that is has multiple prongs. First is strengthen the quality of patents, which is something the Patent and Trademark Office is also part of the Department of Commerce that we've been focused on. But it's also in terms of making it harder for illegitimate litigation to go on, but yet at the same time to protect legitimate litigation, to protect patents. So I mean,
what would the law do?
So things like what kind, it gets very technical very quickly. So it might go to what kind of pleadings can you make? What kind of, will there be, if you lose in a case, can a judge make the loser pay for the cost of litigation? Can, you know, so it gets into...
Isn't that a state law issue, though?
You know, that a lot of this could be, well, you're going to which court system can you bring? That would be another part of the legislation, which is you need to bring your litigation in a court that is proximate to where the injury is as opposed to your court of choice. So there's a lot of things that can be done so that you don't harm the company that has a legitimate claim, but you also prevent those that are
But I take it the way you're expressing this, that you feel we've tipped too much towards the illegitimate claims and the patent trolls, as they're sometimes called.
Well, whether I feel it or not, it's what the business community is telling us. And so there's a real, but there's a fine line to be walked because you need to protect, you know, patents are relevant to everybody from universities to pharmacy companies to internet companies, you know, to our most cutting edge technologies. And so there's different perspectives that need to be taken into account, and that's what this legislation is trying to do. And I think we've gotten it more right than wrong now, and so as a result, you're seeing this kind of bipartisan support.